Hi, Sid. Go around and do a pan around the room here. I want to introduce my girl here. Hi, guys. Her name is Sindra. Sindra, say hi to everybody. She's on work release. She got caught shoplifting. She doesn't need to. She has plenty of money, but she just likes to steal. Anyways, now she has to work for me. She's on work release. And be good now, Sindra. And I'm going to introduce my little friend here. His name is Teddy. That's right. Teddy's just Teddy, and he's going to be part of the show tonight, guys. Hope you enjoy a new Christmas video tonight. Okay, we're going to do another bit of goodie, but I'm going to change the lyrics a little bit. Elvis Presley's Teddy Bear, but we're going to change it to Christmas Bear. Hope you guys enjoy it. Merry Christmas, everybody. Here we go. Boy, you stink. Baby, let me be your lovely Christmas bear. Put a chain of lights around my neck and leave me anywhere. Oh, let me be your Christmas bear. I don't want to be a tiger, 'cause tigers play too rough. I don't want to be a lion, 'cause lions ain't the kind you love enough. 'Cause I wanna be your Christmas bear. Put a chain of lights around my neck and leave me anywhere. Oh, let me be your Christmas bear. Baby, let me be around you every night. Run your fingers through my fur and cuddle me real tight. Oh, let me be your Christmas bear. I don't wanna be a tiger, 'cause tigers play too rough. I don't wanna be a lion, 'cause lions ain't the kind you love enough. 'Cause I wanna be your Christmas bear. Put a chain of lights around my neck and leave me anywhere. Oh, let me be your Christmas bear. Let me be your Christmas bear. I wanna be your Christmas bear. Merry Christmas, everybody. Peace out. Full time.